Hello, this is Steve at TreeBirdFeeders.com. I'd like to welcome you to our website, do a little overview of the feeders we have to offer. Start out with our hummingbird feeders. We have the smallest one, which is an 8-ounce feeder, and it is called our Archolocus Pod. It has 2 feeding ports. And then our larger hummingbird feeder is the Archolocus Trunk. It has 4 feeder ports, and it hangs magnetically. I have a video showcasing that, how that keeps it from spilling nectar out, and it holds 16 ounces of nectar. And then our wild bird feeders, I have the smallest one is the tree bird feeder limb. It has 2 wire feeders, 2 places for suet tubes. Suet cores go in there. It hangs. And then we have the next size, which is the tree bird feeder trunk. It has 2 tube feeders, 2 suet tubes, a tray feeder on top, 2 fruit spikes on top of that. Then our largest is the super trunk. It has 4 internal tube feeders, 3 suet tube feeders, 2 jelly cups, 1 on each side, a larger tray feeder with 2 fruit spikes on top of that. These 2 feeders are pole mounted. This one hangs. And I have videos on the website explaining each one of the feeders in detail. So please have a look around, take a look at the feeders, and hopefully you'll see a new way of feeding birds. And thanks for watching.